My current hood is doing its job. It's a little bit noisy. It doesn't move a whole lot of air. It's good. Iron thread underneath it is fine, but I eventually want to do some larger projects with the reflow oven, so I need better ventilation than this. This is my ventilation hood I made in a previous video. It sits above my soldering iron and keeps the fumes out. It's moving a bit of air, I can feel it. It doesn't move a whole lot of air for how loud it is. I could do a little better. I was going to redesign this head eventually. It's a different fan maybe. But something occurred to me that I've got another solution sitting in the box over here. The previous owners of this house left me a range hood that I never used. They never put it up. Probably the same reason I never put it up. It's kind of not really good enough for the kitchen. Something they pulled out of their old house to upgrade, I'm sure. But I have another use for it. And this way I'll commit to buying a better one for the kitchen. Long overdue. This thing was filthy. I did a thorough wash on it. It was a big job. I wired in a line cord and a ground. I should have used a 3-prong cord. Took the fan out, cleaned the fan blades, the whole shamil here. I'm going to buzz bomb it with some white spray paint. See if I can make it a little brighter. I'm going to put a little tape down there first. But that's the concept. Probably what I'll do is use several pieces of tape around the corners here. Get the sharp bends. I guess I'll take a and I can turn around, light on and off, fan low, high. It's a little bit loud. It's a little louder at high than my other fan was. And low, it's about as noisy as my other fan was. It really blows though. It really blows. And fit my tube on. Everything is not flame proof but flame resistant. I'm not going to be collecting grease or anything in this pipe. I cut the tubing too long, but I just stored the extra bunched up around the bottom there. Makes a good seal. I can get down without killing myself. I'm even done with this project. New improved wet van.